Hello friends, you're welcome back again to our video here on Chima Dedicated Video Channel. Now in this video I want to show you how to make a ton transaction on Musk Empire. Yes, you know that there are two key major things you need to do to partake in the Musk Empire airdrop. And these two things is number one, to connect your ton wallet. Then number two, to test run a ton transaction. The system says it's not as if this is not gas fee now. No, this is just a test run, and you have to do this. It's a compulsory task. You have to perform this task. It's so clearly written. So when you want to do it, either you go through the quest session here, or you go through, you come over to this side where you have mining, and then go to this airdrop area. Let's click through the airdrop area so you can understand it. Now when we click here, now look at it. Just what I just said now. The system says tax for participating in airdrop. Number one, connect wallet. I've done that. Number two, send authorization transaction. That is make a ton transaction. So these are the two key things you must do if you are going to partake in this airdrop. They are announcing it earlier, so don't say no one told you. Now, for you to do this means you must have some amount of ton token in your ton blockchain wallet. It could be the wallet on Telegram, it could be an external wallet like Tonkeep and all that. Make sure, and that must be the wallet you use in connecting this place. The one you connected here, that's what the one you're going to use. So let's go now. I'm going to click on this. It's not taking me to my wallet. Just watch it. Let's wait. Okay. Now, look at it. The system says send 0.1 ton. Send 0.1 ton. Look at the fee and everything. Ton balance. After confirmation, this is the ton balance. So I'm going to send this right now. I click on confirm. Because why this is going? Because I have something already here. It doesn't matter how small it is. So I click on confirm. I click on confirm. It's confirmed. You could see this, and it's go back to X Empire. So I go back. I go back to the place. Let's watch it. See, I've been able to do this. It doesn't cost much. You don't need to have up to 1 full ton. No, you don't need to have that. Just a little bit of it. Now, this is my offline earning. Let's take that away. So let me go back to this airdrop and see what happens. Wow. Okay. If you have already sent a transaction, go to the quest and check. Now, I'm going to go to my quest to click that I've sent it. Check action. You see what we are doing here? Please do all of these things. I'm going to click on check action. The system will definitely confirm that I've done it, and it's correct. I've done it. So I'm going to also claim my token for doing that. So I gained by doing that. You can see it so seamlessly. See how it's done. Please follow this video. It's very neat, very clear, very clean. It's not difficult. So if you're someone, especially those of us in Nigeria, you think you don't have you don't have, even if it's few coins on your wallet, you can buy from us. We can help you get all of these things. Please let me know through the comment box. You can chat me or beyond the comment box, maybe on WhatsApp. Let's see how to get for you. You make payments and we'll get you this coin so they can do this. You need to get ready for this before the listing time. That is how wonderful it is. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because we're going to be bringing you updates on this Musk Empire and every other token. Hamster Combat, TapSwap, name them, all of them will bring you updates. Like this video and don't forget to share it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.